In this video, I'll guide you through how to search properties by lot size in PropWire. Searching properties by lot size can be useful when looking for specific types of real estate opportunities. This is especially helpful when working with land or properties where buyers have minimum lot size requirements. Instead of reviewing properties that do not match your criteria, PropWire allows you to filter your results and focus only on properties with the lot size you need. To get started, open your PropWire account and go to the main dashboard. Once you are on the home screen, you will first need to create or open a property list that you want to filter. For this example, a property search has already been created, and the current list contains over 1,000 properties in the selected area. If you have your own list ready, you can apply the lot size filter directly to those results. To filter the properties by lot size, go to the Options menu at the top right of the screen and select the More option. This will open additional filtering choices that allow you to narrow down your property search. From the available options, select the Property Filter section. Once the property filter is open, scroll through the available settings until you find the lot size option. Here, you can enter the minimum lot size you are looking for. For example, if you only want properties with lots that are at least a certain size, enter that number into the lot size field. PropWire will use this information to remove properties that do not meet your requirement. After entering your desired lot size, click on Save and Close to apply the filter. PropWire will update the results and show only the properties that match your selected lot size criteria. You can review the updated list and see how much smaller the results become after applying the filter. This makes it easier to focus on properties that fit your goals instead of sorting through a large number of unrelated listings. Using lot size filters can be especially helpful when searching for land opportunities or properties with specific development potential. By combining this filter with other available property criteria, you can create a more targeted list for your research. That's how you can search properties by lot size using your PropWire account. By applying the property filters and setting a minimum lot size, you can quickly narrow down your results and find properties that better match your requirements.